In this video, I'll show you how to upload and share files on Dropbox. It's going to be a full guide video. Make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. Open up your Dropbox, click on this plus icon. So let's say if you love to upload a file or a folder. Okay, let me say I want to use it. I'll just create a file for this, for an example. I can just use, let me say, test file. I can just come on here, hi, click on next. So I'm going to click on upload. So yeah, this is the file. So let's say if you love to share this file to your friends, your family, or to your loved ones, just click on this three-dotted icon. You're going to be able to see the share option. So this is it. So from here, you can be able to choose how to share. You can be able to copy the link. You can be able to share, like you can be able to share accordingly. So if I copy the link, I can be able to share it with the people that have this link. So you can see link copied. So anyone that has access to the link can be able to get this file. I just copied the link. So if you found this really helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.